Jack it off. Jack it off. Come here.
It ain't that dirty in there.
No.
Lousy. You put bleach in there every once in a while, I guess.
So this is one solid piece. And then I'm going to take it and cut it down this side. Roll all these over. You and my husband's going to use the grinder. Then we'll run down this side and roll it all over and fix it in there right nicely.
Well, where are you going to do it at? I mean, that's it. Where you want to cut it at? I can just use these.
I'm actually using it.
Alright.
Yeah. Wait a minute before you go doing all that. Steven, I said wait!
I know, I was looking at it.
Alright guys, so Steven's gonna use, what kind of pad blade is that? Whatever it's called.
Just a sand pad. It's a 50 grit sand pad.
He's gonna take a 50 grit sand pad and actually clean all that junk up and kind of smooth it out, and we're gonna figure out where the hole is now, because remember we put bubble gum on it, trying to get it all straightened out. And
here's the bubble gum.
Who would have thought, y'all, bubble gum actually worked? What is it, like putty now?
Yeah, y'all need to watch Las Vegas Vacation when they go to the Hoover Dam.
That's crazy. Alright, well, he's going to go ahead and clean it up, and then I'm going to talk to y'all about this plastic welding kit that I've got. Do I need to move the 2x6s?
Probably. I would love to have some safety glasses. Excuse me. Wish I was able to pressurize this thing with air.
Now, was this the side that had the huge hole in it, or was it just the side that had a little bitty leak in it? I think this is the side that was up against the fence line when we were trying to repair it.
It was...
The one that had the hole in it was in the front.
Yeah, you could tell from the inside of the tank. There's patches in there. When you went inside the tank and patched it. I don't know, stand on that chair and see if you could look down over here and see.
Alright guys, so this is the welder that we're going to use. Bought it off Amazon, so we're going to see how it works. You got your plastic rods. So we're gonna let Steven get back to doing that, and we'll talk more about this because I gotta read about this.
We're going to put money in, and we were going to do the work, and we got cages and stuff. They were going to buy the chickens. We were asking them to buy the chickens, and we would do the work to run them, and we would come up to service for, you know, when it's time to get the time, everybody comes. Pick them up early from school and
Steven, I got a little guy right here beside me.
Alright. Alright, man. Okay, man. Alright, bye. How you doing, bud? You shut the door? You had to feed the dogs today?
Yep. Ruby needs a wormer.
Yeah, that's right. We need to do that, too. How's it doing?
I'm sealing it.
You tapering, you're making it thick and then you're tapering it to thinner?
Yep.
Alright. How big of an area are you doing down there? Are you doing a pretty big area?
Yeah, I'm doing basically a good bit of area.
Yeah, I would overdo it. Make it as wider than what you think you need to be. You know what I'm saying?
I know. Just keep him away from me. I do not want him over here falling on top of me with his iron. Alright guys, so we got it pretty much welded on the outside. I had to cut it off pretty much through the whole thing just because it was tedious and it took a really long time to weld it and get it smoothed out and make sure that everything was sealed. So now we are going to actually put this gray crate up underneath this tank, and we're going to lift it, raise it up a little bit because it's more of a sturdy and it ain't got no nails in it, so we don't run the risk of actually popping another hole in it.
And we don't even know how the hole got in it the first place.
Yeah, because honestly, right there where it was at on the pallet, there was no kind of nails or anything. So we're gonna get this up there and get this all done. Can you lift it up that high?
Yeah, I don't have a problem with it. Oh.
Don't let it twist.
Well, you're...
Go ahead.
No, you go ahead.
You got it?
I got it. Get that 4x4 out of here. And my teacup out of the way. That's the way it needs to go.
This side down?
Yeah.
Oh, I so thought that was a daggum snake. I was about to drop this thing and leave you hanging.
All right, come on. Alright. Now what?
We need to move this thing out the way down here. Let me hold this side.
Hold it so it don't tip. Got it?
Yep. If you can hold it up and kick it out with your foot.
I'm gonna hold it up. I can hold it up and get it out in my hand. Just make sure it don't pivot, because I'm gonna lift it up on one side.
Yeah.
Huh, that was easy enough.
Alright.
Yeah, that's a lot better. I think that's what it needs to do. So if we ever have to fix it again, it's bend down there and see if the black is off the pallet.
Yeah.
Okay, good. That's all we need. Alright. Now we got a little more elevation. How's that look with the other tank?
Looks right about even.
That's perfect. You top it in?
Yeah.
That's perfect. You know why?
Why?
Because then we can shut off that tank and then be able to fill this one and that one together. You might, if it comes down to the time of us being slap full with all three. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then we can just add another one. You know what I mean. You getting a dress for me, Mama?
No. But you're gonna need to give me a hand getting up here.
Alright, here.
Oh, come on, you butthole. Give me, I need that soldering iron plugged in before I even climb in here. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get in here in this hot tank because my husband's too big to get in here. And actually get down in here and weld this, weld the inside. Make sure there's a good seal on it and make sure everything's good to go. I hear an echo. And that's so weird.
That's in the tank, that's why.
Alright. Oh.
Say hello and goodbye.
Goodbye. Ouch. I need the soldering iron. It's not that bad in here.
No. Need some plastic?
Probably. I would.
Don't burn yourself with.
Alright, that's good.
Black one? What color?
Give me the black. Stop scrolling.
Alright, y'all, we're going in the tank to see what she's doing. Oh, can't stand on the chair's moving.
Yeah, the chair's wobbly, I don't know why.
Yeah, I think I stood on it and sunk it on the ground.
Yeah, well earlier whenever I was on it, it was wobbly.
Trying to get the best shot I can, y'all. I think it's probably right there is probably the best. Mama, you're in the way. You just move out of the way, so.
Can you see now?
Yeah. You have to make sure you feather it out.
I am just trying to get this other, seal this other plastic that wasn't sealed. I guess I was in a hurry.
Alright, yeah, I will come back to it. It's kind of hard holding this camera in this hole.
So my husband finally let me out the tank. No, I'm just kidding. I got out. It's hot in there, but I did get everything sealed. And I think we are good to go on everything. And what are we getting ready to do? You gonna turn the water on?
Yeah, after we... I think I need to get you to cut that 1x6, the width of that, and slide the 1x6 in there.
I don't think it's gonna go anywhere, honestly.
Well, it's on teeter because the board ain't. See? It needs to go straight across.
Well, then go cut a board. I'm going to take a break. I'm hot.
Oh, I need you to help.
No, you don't.
You do?
No, I don't.
Yeah.
Pick it up.
Go. Make sure it's around the edge.
Alright.
Alright, let's put the valve on, or else turn it off. See what happens. Ready?
Yeah, fill it with water. Level, the water level inside?
It's covered?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No leaks?
Huh?
Touch it, see if you still
Oh, there it is.
There ain't no leaks.
Yeah, both here.
Where's the leak at?
I just seen a drip. Hands wet. Well, we just got finished doing the patch on the tank. It took a little longer than usual, but we patched it from the outside and the inside, and after we patched it, you gotta smooth it and weld it into the plastic that's existing. So you gotta taper it in and feather it so you melt the existing plastic in with the plastic that you're putting on it. So we got that all settled. Now we were able to drain our other two tanks over here back into this tank. So we got about 250 gallons in this tank, and probably a total in between the three tanks with the water that's in all three of them, we probably got about 600 or 800 gallons. And them two were pretty much full to the top. And we do still have one 55-gallon drum over there by the camper filled with water. And we have the water that we pumped out of here this morning in our other barrels that are around the perimeter of the camper, catching the water coming off the camper that we put into here. Just for extra water, because the roof needs to be bigger to be able to get more rain, fill these up. So that's why we use the camper roof, and we collect the water off of that and put it in here. But I think we got it down to a T. We did raise it up. We put, like Shannon was saying earlier, we did put the plastic pallet up under there just to be off the wooden pallet. And it got it a little bit higher, so it's more even with the top of the first tank. So we could shut that one off. The third tank back over here in the back corner, that one can be shut off, and if it gets too high, and then it will just fill these two to get to the max height. So we're gonna end this video, and we thank you for watching, and may God bless you like He has us, and we'll catch you on the next one.